Situated in Jarrow in Tyne and Wear, Infoteam MS Limited offer a full bespoke manufacturing service from concept and design through production, test, assembly and fulfillment. Our site capabilities provide customized electronic manufacturing services for our clients, delivering expert electronic manufacturing, PCB assembly and test, plus full turnkey manufacturing together with fully configurable box build and logistics. Infoteam MS provide vendor-managed inventory via Kanban systems, supplying our clients with immediate off-the-shelf products with project support, NPI, test development and extensive parts procurement services. We are accredited to ISO 9001-2008 and are members of IPC. Our manufacturing facility is designed to meet the needs of our clients and their end users with complex, wide-ranging solutions in the UK and beyond, supplying industries in the automotive, gas sensing, security lighting, industrial shutter control, recording studio and broadcasting, audio equipment, LED transport signs, industrial air control, medical, marine lighting and oil and gas exploration sectors. Operating from a 40,000 square foot manufacturing facility, we offer component preparation, component cropping and forming, automated axial insertion and automated radial insertion. Our 4 surface mount lines provide solder paste printing, selective glue dispense, component placement and reflow technologies for components from 0201 size through BGA, micro BGA and QFP 50mm square using laser and optical recognition and centering. We also offer 3 manual assembly lines, 2 providing lead-free and 1 providing leaded, wave soldering facilities, manual assembly tooling, electronic torque drivers, presses, ultrasonic welding and PCB depanelizing together with an isolated conformal coating spray booth and drying area and an ultraviolet curing oven for optical assemblies and an EMC shield room. We also have the facility for custom cable and wire harness manufacture and test. Infoteam MS provide environmental test chambers to emulate the environments encountered in harsh operating conditions, from high heat and humidity levels to Arctic sub-zero temperatures. We operate stringent test procedures, including automated optical inspection, in-circuit test, high voltage safety test up to 5 kilovolts, and from manual to fully automated function test and adjustment using customer supplied or in-house designed and manufactured test fixtures, providing measurement from DC to 6.5 GHz and device programming. Our customer-focused purchasing team, dealing with large and small volume components, work on shorter lead times to suit our customers' needs. Please contact one of our experienced team today. We will be happy to discuss any of your electronic manufacturing requirements.